Hey guys! If you're looking for a chill and super aesthetic spot to unwind, Osaka Farm in Silang, Cavite is a must visit. Wanna feel like you're in Japan pero Cavite lang pala? This is the place! Here, what make it super worth it? You get to walk through Japanese-style garden. Pwede ka pa mag-yukata. Yes, may pa-customize sila. Picture-perfect gate, IG-worthy sa lahat ng angles. Sobrang presko at tahimik. Perfect kung gusto mong mag-relax. May Japanese cabin din if you want an overnight stay. Parang nasa Kyoto pero Cavite lang talaga to ha. Bonus pa, may farm vibes din. You can pick fruits depende sa season and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Perfect din to ha for date days, family bonding, or solo trips kung gusto mo lang talaga ng peace of mind. Walang traffic, walang stress, just nature. At ma-enjoy ang little slice of Japan in Silang, Cavite. And lots of good vibes. So, kung gusto mo talaga ng quiet place and quick escape with Japanese twist, tara na sa Okasa Farm, Silang, Cavite. At take note ha, free ang entrance dito at may food silang ina-offer. Sarap at Japanese style food.